When we talk about people-centric model, we need to think about what is the traditional type of business model where people only focus on the tasks. If you look at the factories or the traditional manufacturing industry, usually when there is a task coming in, there is a job coming in, people think about how to finish this task, how to finish this job. So everything is based on the jobs, the tasks. So this is called the task-centric model that we were using for many, many years. But nowadays, things have changed. We need to focus more on the welfare of our employees, the welfare of people. So we invent this sort of new concept, which is called people-centric model. In this model, when we are doing the matching, the allocation, the optimization process, we put people in the center, meaning that we need to think about what is the best way for us to help this employee to finish all the tasks and at a very sort of high quality level. Think about how we can invent new ways of allocating tasks and also managing resources so that we can achieve a better performance. This is sort of the mindset change from focusing on the jobs or activities to focusing on employees. So I think that the first hurdle we need to get over with is the mindset change. So people need to sort of change their mindset from the job-centric or task-centric model to people-centric model. The traditional allocation process was sort of a mathematical model where we have the tasks and we have the deadlines, we have the resources, then we think about what is the best way for us to finish the task. Usually we try to finish the task as soon as possible. But now if we are looking at the people-centric model, there are more factors we need to consider when we make decisions. Nowadays, because a lot of companies have their own information systems, actually a lot of information has been stored, but the current sort of model does not really use the information stored in the system they already have. For example, they should have history data of an employee, what kind of jobs this person has finished, and how long this person works each day, and is this person working in a team with other members? Are there any collaborations or interactions between this person and other people? We need to make use of the information and the history data. Also, we need to think about the skills that is needed for the activities. And also we need to think about the training we want to provide for employees. People-centric model can also consider people's career development plans so that everyone can not only get the job they are good at, they can also have the opportunity to learn and acquire more skills. So by incorporating all those informations into the allocation model, by looking at the need and the requirement of employees, then we should be able to improve. So these are all the human factors that people need to consider if we want to achieve this people-centric model. In order to improve productivity, then we need to make use of the data that we already have. We may want to change the task variety and also to change the way that we assemble teams so that we can encourage people to work more actively in a better working environment. All of these can contribute to the productivity and also work well-being. And finally, I think at the bottom level, we need to think about what technology we need to use. Nowadays, there are a lot of softwares can allow you to allocate human resource. However, not many of them actually consider human factors. I think the organizations should also have the courage to embrace the new technology so that they can achieve better productivity in the organization.